guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Wednesday and Friday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. I love a good bag comparison / battle on this channel. And today I'm going to present you our ultimate mega fight between those two little cuties. Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires, it's a vintage edition, and Petit Sac Plat. I've done the full review on both bags previously. It's a very detailed, in-depth review. If you want to check this out, please find the link in the description bar below. And today I'm going to talk about similarities and the difference of the both bags. Also show you some mod shots and what fits. We compare some capacity because they are teeny weeny bags and we don't expect much from them, but are they going to surprise or disappoint us? And as always, at the end, I'm going to choose my favorite one between them two. So if you're wondering which one is my favorite, please stick till the end. Both bags, as you can see, are from Louis Vuitton fashion house. However, the age difference between them two is around 17 years. Yes, because this beautiful Pochette Accessoire was released in 2003. It was at times when Marc Jacobs was creative director of Louis Vuitton fashion house, and he made this amazing, super mega popular collaboration with Japanese pop artist Takashi Murakami. This beautiful little beauty became an instant success and an enormous hit. As you can see, that's the monogram print all over the bag, and it's 33 different colors represented in monogram. And it was a special silk printing on canvas technique used on those bags. The Pochette Accessoire, as the entire multicolor collection, was presented in blanc, white, and noir, black color. As you can see, mine is in black. I really wanted this bag for quite a while and I've been hunting for that for almost a year, and I'm so happy that recently I actually was able to add this into my collection. As I said, that's almost 18 years old bag, and I consider this vintage. Can I call this vintage? It's almost 20 years. Unlike this beauty, a vintage beauty, my Petit Sac Plat is a brand new bag, and it's presented in the classic monogram canvas. This canvas is a little bit more stiffer and thicker than the regular canvas, which allows bag to keep this beautiful sac plat shape. And as you can recognize, that bag I was inspired, the mini version, petite version, was inspired by the bigger classic version of a big Louis Vuitton tote called Sac Plat. You know, I'm a sucker for mini bags, and that's why I couldn't miss those two, and I was rushing to add them both into my collection. As I said, I was hunting for this particular beauty for almost a year. With this one, it was a different story. I was so lucky to score this bag in practically 24 hours. On UK website, Louis Vuitton website, there is an option for particular bags to leave your email and get notified when the bag can come available in stock. And I left my email, and basically less than 24 hours I received notification that this bag is available, and it was only available on the website just for a couple of hours. And as I said, I was lucky enough to score it within those 2 hours. If we start talking about differences between those two bags, first one I would say would be the handles and the strap. Petit Sac Plat comes with the two beautiful top handles. They are tiny, so you can't wear that on the crook of your arm. However, they are so cute and you can still wear that in your hands. And this is where one of the main things what I love about Sac Plat comes in, and that's the removable strap. I love the option that you can just add it on or removed or wear that separately or together, and it just brings so much versatility to this bag. Pochette Accessoire comes with no strap, but luckily the top handle is removable. It's not adjustable in any way, but it's removable. So I can add, for example, removable strap from Sac Plat or any other straps which I'm planning to purchase separately. Again, it adds some versatility to the bag. The other thing which is different between two bags, but because this piece is almost 18 years old, therefore the color of the leather is practically identical, as you can see. And the difference is here that Petit Sac Plat comes with a treated Pochette leather, when originally the Pochette Accessoire and all current Pochette Accessoires comes with untreated Pochette leather, and therefore you will see some wear and tear on this untreated leather, so it will be a little bit of story here. Because I purchased that on the second-hand market, and I purchased that when I was already 17 years old, I could see that it was previously treated by apple guard spray. It's quite resistant to any oil marks or the rain. However, I can still see some marks or stains, just drops, the raindrops or anything like that. And it's beautiful, beautiful, like a honeycomb patina color, when this one is a treated one and it's a honeycomb color as well. And what I can do, I can wear them together and it's almost identical color. If we're going to have a look inside the bag, what we've got there, so for Pochette Accessoire we have a zip closure on the top. If we have a look inside, tissue paper out, that's just a one big hole and a suede lining interior inside. However, there is no pockets, no card holders, no compartments or anything like that. If we're looking inside Petit Sac Plat, we can see that there is no any closure or a zip or any clasp or anything like that. However, because it's such a tiny bag and the strap is short enough for you to wear that quite closely to your body, therefore, in my opinion, and I wear this bag a lot, in my opinion, it feels quite secure. However, if you are in a crowd or a really busy place, you still need to check this out and be really careful around that. Fabric lining inside and beautiful pocket for your phone. And what I like about this pocket, that it is snug and tight enough to keep your phone quite secure in this pocket. It's loose and spacious enough, easily to take this out whenever you need, and you can just use a one hand when you're wearing this bag crossbody. If we check the origin of both bags, so Sac Plat was made in Italy, and I believe Pochette Accessoire was made in France. And just double check that. I think so. Oh yeah, we've got it here. Yeah, that one is made in France. I love the both beauties, but still I will have to choose my favorite, and we will come to that. And I think it's time to move to the one of the most intriguing parts of this review is what fits. They both are really small bags. Is it going to be the same capacity, or one of them is going to fit much more? We're going to find out that just in a second. Contenders, are you ready? First one up is Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat for our What Fits challenge. With my usual combo of essentials, I'm going to check how much we can fit in this little beauty. So we will start with the phone, and here we've got an iPhone Plus size Max Pro. It's a 16 centimeters long, and we are going to place that immediately into the special pocket inside for the phone. It goes really beautifully there, getting snugged. Then we go with the keys. Keys go there easily as well. Then we're going for the bigger card holder. It's not just a flat card holder. We're going to examine the full capacity here. So we are going with kind of like just a regular size card holder. Easily go in there. A lip balm. Lipstick. Here we go. What else do we have here? We still have a little bit of space on top, so I think we can squeeze something in there. What about hand sanitizer? Nah, nope. Fail. What about the oil for our nails? Yep, easily go in there. What about a little notebook? No, I don't think we are going to be successful here at all. So that's what we are missing here, a notebook and a hand sanitizer. But we kind of like a fully explored the capacity there, and quite a few items we managed to stick in there. Now it's time for a second contender, Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire. And next contender is up here to take a challenge. What fits and shows real capacity. We will start here again with the phone. It's an iPhone Plus size Max Pro, 16 centimeters long. Easily go in there. Then we will try to place a notebook. Ooh, goes in there easily. Our chunky card holder as well. Yep, still succeeding. Keys, lipstick. What about hand sanitizer? Let's try to zip it up. And we're still going, oh yeah, a little bit of struggle here, but we zip it up. But we are successful here. And let's have a look if we can just manage anything else inside there. We still have a tiny little space on top, and I think we still can go with a lip balm. Here we go. We are not. Yes, we are. Perfect. And we still have the last item left, and it's oil from nails. And let's have a look. Can we do that? No, we are failed here, so we have to lose the little oil and go like that. Obviously, I'm trying to examine the capacity of Pochette Accessoire to the max, and usually I don't carry as much with myself when I'm with my tiny bag. However, I just wanted to show you the big difference in capacity between Pochette Accessoire and Petit Sac Plat. And now it's time for mod shots to show you how I wear those bags. Just to remind you, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. Because of the top handle of the both bags, the similarity here is that you can wear both bags in your hands. I love this cute little way of wearing sac plat in your hands, and a girly way to wear a Pochette Accessoire in your hands too. The Pochette Accessoire handle is wide enough and long enough to allow you to wear the bag on the crook of your arm. However, it's not the case for a sac plat. The top handles, the both of them, they're too narrow and you cannot wear that on the crook of your arm. Removable strap from sac plat allows you to wear the bag crossbody. And on the right or the left shoulder. And as I mentioned before in the first part of the video, you actually can remove the top handle strap from the Pochette Accessoire or leave it there, it's totally up to you, and add an extra strap, for example my strap from the sac plat, and wear that also crossbody. on the right or a left shoulder. I love the versatility of the both bags and how you can add the strap and take it off. I absolutely love this idea. Okay, we just talked about the capacity of both bags and I've showed you which of them fits much more than another one. I showed you how I wear the both bags and now it's time for me to choose my favorite one. To be honest with you, it's a very close one because I absolutely adore both of those bags. You know I love my mini bags and those two cuties are one of the best representatives of mini bags in all their glory. I love them both and it's really hard for me to choose just now, but for the sake of this battle I have to choose one of them and it's going to be Louis Vuitton Sac Plat, a petite version. Why? I absolutely love this beautiful shape of the bag. I love how thick canvas is and how structured this bag is and how the canvas just keeps this structure. And that's why I love looking at this bag. Apart from wearing this bag, obviously, I love just looking at this bag on my bag display when it's there between my other mini bags and it's just standing out in all its glory. I'm just looking at that and like every time when I look at that I'm like, oh, it's so cute. And probably that's why that would be the main reason why between them two I would choose, just for the sake of this battle, I would choose a Petit Sac Plat. As I said, they are my favorite bags. I love them both. I love how versatile and beautiful they are, but Sac Plat would be my favorite. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this ultimate battle between beautiful Pochette Accessoires and Petit Sac Plat from Louis Vuitton fashion house. If you have, please hit thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye!